Picture this. You're on the beach, living your best life, and suddenly, seagull heist. Yep, they're after your snacks. But fear not, because today we're spilling 10 things you need to know before you hit the Bahamian beaches. No more seagull sneak attacks, my friends. If you're planning a trip to this tropical paradise, you're in for a treat. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's dive in. As you step foot on the charming island of Nassau, get ready to be greeted by friendly locals, waving palm trees, and stunning turquoise waters as far as the eye can see. The Linden Pindling International Airport is your gateway to the Bahamas, and be sure to have your passport ready upon arrival. Don't forget to soak in the calming Atlantic breeze as it whispers tales of a tropical paradise waiting to be explored. When it comes to packing for Nassau, think vibrant and lightweight. The tropical climate begs for comfy and breathable clothing. Ladies, pack your favorite flowy sundresses, and gentlemen, get those Hawaiian shirts ready. Sunscreen, sunglasses, and wide-brimmed hats are absolute must-haves to protect yourself from the glorious Bahamian sunshine. Just remember, the sun here is like a celebrity. You've got to greet it with respect and wear your SPF like it's your red carpet attire. Get ready to embrace the beachy vibes. Navigating Nassau is a breeze. The Bahamian dollar is the local currency, but don't fret, as US dollars are widely accepted. Navigating currencies can be confusing. It's like playing Monopoly, but the hotels and money are real, so make sure you don't accidentally offer a hotel bill instead of a tip. But don't worry, you'll get it. Taxis are plentiful, but if you're feeling adventurous, rent a scooter or bicycle to explore this paradise at your own pace. Just remember, the Bahamas is one of the many places where driving on the left side of the road is not a political statement. It's a traffic rule. Public buses are another excellent option to reach popular tourist spots, such as Cable Beach and the vibrant downtown area. Your Nassau adventure awaits. Get ready to soak in the rich Bahamian culture and heritage. Visit the National Art Gallery of the Bahamas to get a glimpse into the creative spirit that flows through these islands. Junkanoo, a vibrant street parade filled with colorful costumes and lively music, will introduce you to the heart and soul of Bahamian traditions. Dive into the local cuisine by trying conch fritters or sipping on a refreshing Bahama Mama cocktail. It's so good that I might need a food passport because my taste buds are traveling to Flavortown. Haha, cheers to cultural immersion! Nassau offers an abundance of jaw-dropping attractions you simply can't miss. Fort Charlotte, a historic military fortress, offers panoramic views of the island and will transport you back in time. Ever dreamt of swimming with pigs? You're in luck! The Exumas Cays will fulfill your wildest fantasies as you frolic with these adorable creatures. And of course, a visit to the Atlantis Paradise Island Resort is an absolute must for fun-filled water adventures and stunning aquariums. Beautiful beaches are the heart and soul of Nassau. Junkanoo Beach, with its crystal-clear waters and lively beach bars, is a traveler's dream come true. Love snorkeling? Head to Love Beach, where vibrant coral reefs and tropical fish await your exploration. House and Cabbage beaches are other local favorites, where you can soak in the sun and build sandcastles with your loved ones. Get ready for endless beach time galore.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
In the Bahamas, a smile and a friendly "good morning" will take you a long way. Respect the local customs and embrace the relaxed island time culture. When visiting churches or religious sites, Be mindful of appropriate clothing choices. Make sure to say thank you and please as you interact with the warm and welcoming Bahamian people. It's these small gestures that will make your trip unforgettable. When the sun goes down, Nassau comes alive with electrifying nightlife and entertainment. Dance the night away at one of the vibrant clubs on the Paradise Island Strip, where DJs spin the latest beats. Feel the rhythm of pulsating Bahamian music at the famous Arawak Cay Fish Fry, where the scent of grilled seafood will make your taste buds tingle. Delicious food, incredible music, and an unforgettable night await. Safety first, adventurers! Nassau is generally a safe destination, but as with any place you visit, exercise caution and be aware of your surroundings. Avoid unlit areas at night and keep an eye on your belongings, just as you would in any tourist destination. Make copies of important travel documents and have emergency numbers handy. Nassau is pretty safe, but just to be sure, I've been practicing my karate moves. So if a seagull tries to steal my fries, I'm ready for action. Stay informed, stay safe, and have the time of your life on this tropical getaway. And there you have it, folks. 10 essential things you absolutely must know before venturing off to the breathtaking Nassau Bahamas. So pack your bags, book that ticket, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are for Nassau. Also, comment your favorite places to travel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy travels!